Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the fabulous fashion choices of the stunning Lakshmi Rai. She's known for her impeccable style and unique fashion statements. So, let's dive right into it. Lakshmi Rai knows how to make a statement. She's been seen in glamorous gowns that highlight her curves and grace. Her choice of high-fashion couture gowns adds a touch of sophistication to her overall look. Even in her casual outings, the actress maintains her chic style. She's often spotted in well-fitted jeans, trendy tops, and stylish accessories. Her casual fashion choices are comfortable yet fashion-forward. Her love for ethnic wear is evident. She frequently dons traditional Indian attire like lehengas and anarkalis. Her selection of intricate jewelry and intricate hairstyles complements her ethnic look perfectly. She loves to accessorize her outfits with statement jewelry, including chunky necklaces, statement earrings, and stylish handbags. Her accessories always add that extra oomph to her outfits. She experiments with various hairdos, from sleek buns to soft curls, depending on the occasion. Her hairstyles perfectly complement her overall look. She often goes for a natural and radiant look that highlights her features. Her bold lip colors and well-defined eyes add that extra glam factor. She also has an impressive collection of shoes. From elegant stilettos to comfy sneakers, she knows how to pick the right footwear to complete her look. One notable aspect of her fashion is her preference for exquisite fabrics. She often opts for outfits crafted from luxurious materials like silk, chiffon, and velvet. These choices add a touch of opulence to her attire. What makes the actress stand out is her willingness to experiment with her style. She's not afraid to try unconventional fashion choices. Whether it's bold prints, unique silhouettes, or experimental makeup, she embraces the avant-garde with confidence. Being a fitness enthusiast, the actress often incorporates fitness-inspired fashion into her daily wear. Athleisure outfits, yoga pants, and sporty jackets are some of her go-to choices when she's on the move. She has her favorite designers, and she's often seen wearing creations by renowned fashion houses. She's a muse for many top designers, and her collaboration with them has produced some stunning fashion moments. Her fashion choices are also influenced by her cultural background. She has a penchant for South Indian fashion, including Kanjivaram saris and temple jewelry, which she beautifully incorporates into her wardrobe. When it comes to high fashion, she is no stranger. She's known for her impeccable taste in haute couture. Her selection of designer gowns and tailored suits for special occasions exudes sophistication. Her unique fashion choices have earned her a place as a style icon in the Indian film industry. Her style evolution over the years has been nothing short of remarkable, and she continues to inspire fashion enthusiasts. Lakshmi Rai draws inspiration from various fashion icons, both national and international. Her admiration for style legends like Rekha, Audrey Hepburn, and Victoria Beckham is evident in her fashion journey. She adapts elements of their timeless elegance into her own style. In recent years, the actress has also embraced the sustainable fashion movement. She's seen promoting eco-friendly clothing brands and wearing outfits made from recycled materials. Her commitment to sustainability shows her dedication to making responsible fashion choices. She doesn't limit herself to just one style of jewelry. From vintage pieces to contemporary bling, her collection of accessories is incredibly versatile. She effortlessly switches between classic and modern looks with the right jewelry. Her hairstyles are iconic in their own right. She's known for her voluminous curls, elegant updos, and sleek ponytails. Her hairstyles are often created to match the occasion, and she's not afraid to experiment with different hair accessories to add an extra touch of glamour. Over the years, the actress has established strong connections with fashion brands. Her collaborations with designers and brands have resulted in exclusive fashion collections that are highly sought after by her fans and fashion enthusiasts. Her choice of color palettes is intriguing. While she's often seen in bold and vibrant colors, she also has a soft spot for pastels. Her pastel ensembles radiate elegance, while her bold color choices exude confidence. Rai Lakshmi has received recognition for her outstanding fashion choices. She's been honored with fashion awards and titles, which further solidify her status as a style icon in the entertainment industry. Her red carpet evolution is a testament to her evolving fashion sense. Her choices on the red carpet have mirrored her personal growth and changing preferences. The actress' fashion choices have garnered international attention. She's often seen at prestigious international events, where she flawlessly represents Indian fashion. Her ability to seamlessly blend cultural elements into her outfits while appealing to a global audience is commendable. What sets Lakshmi Rai apart is her commitment to using fashion as a means to promote social causes. She frequently supports and raises awareness for various charitable initiatives through her fashion choices, emphasizing that style can be a powerful tool for good. Her beauty and skincare routine is a topic of interest for many. She's open about her skincare regimen and how she maintains a radiant and youthful look, which complements her fashion. In addition to sustainable fashion, Rai Lakshmi is an advocate for ethical fashion. She promotes brands that prioritize fair labor practices and environmentally responsible manufacturing, reinforcing her commitment to conscious fashion choices. Her fashion collaborations aren't limited to clothing. She's collaborated with accessory designers, shoe brands, and makeup lines, creating a well-rounded fashion portfolio that showcases her influence in various aspects of style. The actress has given her fans glimpses into her daily fashion choices through her social media channels. Lakshmi Rai often shares her fashion inspiration and fashion tips with her followers. Whether it's advice on dressing for different body types or creating affordable yet chic looks, she's become a source of inspiration for aspiring fashionistas. She's a fashion icon with a purpose. Her fashion choices often align with social and environmental causes. Whether it's promoting sustainable fashion or advocating for women's rights, she uses her style as a platform to raise awareness and make a positive impact. Her fashion choices are a testament to her global outlook. She's known for incorporating international trends into her wardrobe, showcasing her adaptability and her ability to blend different fashion cultures seamlessly. What makes Lakshmi Rai's fashion choices truly unique is her vintage collection. She has a penchant for vintage fashion, often seen in retro-inspired outfits that harken back to the glamour of yesteryears. Her collection of vintage pieces is a treasure trove of nostalgia. Her association with haute couture designers is not limited to just wearing their creations. She often collaborates with these designers to create custom pieces that reflect her personal style, showcasing her creativity and influence in the fashion industry. One cannot discuss Lakshmi Rai's fashion without mentioning her iconic red lip. She's known for her bold choice of lipstick, which has become a signature element of her style, adding a classic touch to her modern and traditional looks alike. The actress' impeccable fashion choices have earned her numerous accolades and awards in the fashion industry. From Best Dressed awards to Style Icon of the Year, her contributions to fashion are widely recognized and celebrated. Her style evolution is a journey worth studying. She's gone from being a rising star in the industry to a seasoned fashion icon, and her changing fashion choices reflect her personal growth and evolving taste. She often shares inspirational fashion quotes that resonate with her followers. Her words of wisdom on fashion, confidence, and self-expression empower her fans to embrace their unique style with confidence. Lakshmi Rai's wardrobe organization is meticulous. She's known for curating her collection with precision, categorizing her outfits based on occasions, colors, and styles. This attention to detail ensures she's always ready to make a fashion statement. To elevate her fashion game, the actress often commissions custom-designed outfits. These bespoke creations allow her to express her unique style and preferences while working closely with designers to bring her vision to life. Her accessories aren't just accessories, they're carefully handpicked to complement her outfits. Whether it's vintage brooches, heirloom pieces, or contemporary jewelry, her choice of accessories adds a layer of sophistication to her fashion choices. Lakshmi Rai is a master of sari drapes. She experiments with different draping styles, be it the classic Navy drape, Gujarati drape, or the unique butterfly drape, showcasing her versatility in carrying this quintessential Indian attire. She has a penchant for exclusive fashion pieces. Limited edition collections, one-of-a-kind ensembles, and rare fashion finds are a part of her unique fashion choices, making her stand out in the world of celebrity fashion. Her status as a fashion influencer goes beyond her movie roles. She often collaborates with fashion brands and designers to influence fashion trends and promote emerging talents in the industry. The actress' fashion choices go beyond clothing. She's known for her diverse collection of sunglasses, handbags, and scarves, each carefully selected to elevate her outfits and complete her look. Her commitment to fitness extends to her fashion choices. She often dons workout wear, promoting a healthy and active lifestyle. Her fitness-inspired looks inspire many to embrace wellness with style. As we look to the future of fashion, she continues to be a driving force. Her fashion choices set the stage for what's to come in the ever-evolving world of style, making her a visionary and trendsetter in her own right. Beyond her clothing, the actress' fashion choices extend to her hair and makeup. She often collaborates with talented hairstylists and makeup artists to create unique looks that complement her outfits, adding an extra layer of artistry to her style. Her fashion choices often emphasize the beauty of all body types and backgrounds, sending a powerful message of acceptance and diversity. Her bold fashion choices have often sparked new trends, from statement accessories to unconventional color combinations, influencing fashion enthusiasts around the world. The art of layering is one of her fashion secrets. She masterfully combines different garments, textures, and colors to create visually stunning outfits that tell a story and capture attention. Her passion for fashion goes beyond wearing it. She's actively involved in the design process of some of her outfits. Her collaboration with designers often includes her creative input, resulting in truly unique and personalized fashion pieces. The actress' choice of accessories is an integral part of her fashion choices. From belts that cinch at the waist to statement hats, she understands the transformative power of accessories in elevating an outfit. Lakshmi Rai is a staunch supporter of independent and emerging designers. She often chooses to wear their creations, giving them a platform to showcase their talent and contributions to the fashion world. What's truly impressive about her fashion choices is her ability to dress appropriately for every occasion. Whether it's a casual day out, a red carpet event, or a charity gala, she always manages to strike the perfect balance between style and occasion. Lakshmi Rai's fashion journey is a testament to her unwavering commitment to style as an art form. Her meticulous wardrobe organization reveals a level of precision that is truly admirable. Each outfit is carefully selected, categorized, and maintained, ensuring that she is prepared for any fashion moment. She doesn't merely wear clothes, she curates her collection with thoughtful consideration, resulting in a closet that's a reflection of her diverse tastes and fashion versatility. From custom-designed ensembles that showcase her creativity to vintage pieces that breathe nostalgia into her wardrobe, her fashion choices tell a story of her evolving style, which has gracefully transitioned from youthful exuberance to a more mature and sophisticated elegance. Her enduring red lip, a signature element of her style, is a testament to her boldness and classic sensibilities. Beyond her sartorial choices, she uses her platform to advocate for body positivity and inclusivity, sending a powerful message of acceptance in an industry often plagued by rigid standards. As a trendsetter, Rai's daring choices have a ripple effect on fashion trends, from the use of statement accessories to unconventional color pairings. Her influence extends to supporting independent designers, who find a champion in her as she embraces their creations, giving them a voice in the ever-evolving fashion landscape. In every facet of her fashion choices, whether it's her ability to adapt to diverse occasions or her hands-on approach to design, Rai Lakshmi embodies a fashion icon who is unafraid to push boundaries and embrace the transformative power of style. Her commitment to being a force for positive change within the industry, promoting inclusivity, and setting new trends makes her not just a fashion icon, but a beacon of inspiration for all who admire her captivating journey through the world of fashion. Her fashion choices are a captivating tapestry woven with threads of elegance, boldness, and individuality. Her meticulous wardrobe organization showcases a level of attention to detail that ensures she's always impeccably dressed for any occasion. Each outfit is carefully selected and categorized, reflecting her versatile fashion tastes and her ability to effortlessly switch between various styles. Custom-designed ensembles allow her to express her creative vision, while vintage pieces add a touch of nostalgia and uniqueness to her wardrobe. The enduring presence of her iconic red lip is a symbol of her bold, classic sensibilities, and it accentuates her looks with a timeless charm. Beyond her outfits, the actress uses her influence to advocate for body positivity and inclusivity in the fashion industry, making her not just a trendsetter, but a voice for positive change. Her daring fashion choices have often ignited new trends, whether it's the embrace of statement accessories, unconventional color pairings, or the revival of vintage fashion. Her support for independent designers adds an element of inclusivity to her style, providing a platform for emerging talents. Rai's fashion journey is a reflection of a style icon who isn't afraid to push the boundaries of fashion and artistry. Her adaptability to diverse occasions, hands-on approach to design, and transformative use of accessories make her a beacon of inspiration for all who admire her captivating voyage through the fashion world. Lakshmi Rai's fashion choices reveal not just a stylish celebrity but an artist who uses her body as a canvas for self-expression. Her wardrobe is a carefully curated collection, with each piece serving as a stroke on her ever-evolving fashion canvas. The custom-designed outfits are more than garments. They're expressions of her unique personality. Her choice to embrace vintage fashion adds depth and history to her style, connecting her with the timeless elegance of the past. Her signature red lip is not just a cosmetic choice. It's a bold statement, an exclamation point that punctuates her looks with a touch of drama. Her advocacy for body positivity and inclusivity resonates not only in her fashion choices but also in her actions, making her an influential figure in an industry often plagued by unrealistic standards. Rai's knack for setting trends extends beyond the runway, inspiring fashion enthusiasts to embrace individuality, be it through daring accessories or unconventional color pairings. Her support for independent designers and emerging talents is a testament to her commitment to elevating the industry and promoting fresh voices. In the grand tapestry of her fashion journey, Lakshmi Rai weaves in her ability to adapt to diverse occasions with finesse, ensuring she always shines, whether it's on a red carpet or a casual outing. Her hands-on involvement in the design process and her transformative use of accessories showcase a creative mind that goes beyond simply wearing clothes. Her fashion choices are not just about following trends, they're about creating them and leaving an indelible mark on the world of style. Her journey is an inspiring testament to the power of fashion as a form of self-expression and a means of positive influence in an ever-changing world. Lakshmi Rai's fashion choices are a captivating fusion of modernity, where every outfit tells a unique story. Her wardrobe is not just a collection of clothing, it's a carefully curated anthology of her life experiences, creative expressions, and evolving taste. Each piece is meticulously organized, reflecting her versatility and her ability to seamlessly transition from one style to another. Lakshmi Rai's affinity for custom-designed ensembles showcases her as a true fashion connoisseur, collaborating with designers to bring her creative visions to life. The inclusion of vintage fashion elements in her attire adds a layer of depth and nostalgia to her style, connecting her with the timeless elegance of bygone eras. Her signature red lip is not merely a cosmetic choice. It's a statement of confidence and timeless glamour, leaving an indelible mark on her overall look. Beyond being a fashion icon, Rai Lakshmi is an advocate for body positivity and inclusivity, using her influence to promote a more diverse and accepting fashion industry. Her fashion choices have a ripple effect, setting new trends that resonate with fashion enthusiasts worldwide. Lakshmi Rai's bold experiments with accessories, unconventional color combinations, and unique fashion pairings encourage her followers to embrace their individuality and self-expression. Her commitment to supporting independent designers and emerging talents not only fosters inclusivity but also nurtures fresh voices in the industry. Her adaptability to diverse occasions, from red carpet events to casual outings, is a testament to her fashion versatility. Her hands-on involvement in the design process, alongside her transformative use of accessories, showcases a creative mind that goes beyond conventional style norms. Her journey is an inspiring narrative of how fashion can be a powerful form of self-expression and a platform for positive change in the world, leaving an indelible mark on the canvas of style. Lakshmi Rai's fashion choices epitomize the embodiment of an artist who utilizes her attire as a means of creative expression. Her wardrobe is a meticulously curated collection, with each piece serving as a brushstroke on her ever-evolving fashion canvas. Custom-designed outfits are not mere garments but rather manifestations of her unique personality, illustrating her as a fashion trailblazer. Her penchant for vintage fashion brings depth and historical resonance to her style, weaving her into the timeless elegance of the past. Her iconic red lip isn't just a cosmetic choice, it's a powerful statement, an exclamation point that punctuates her looks with a bold and dramatic touch. Beyond her sartorial selections, she employs her influence to champion body positivity and inclusivity, resonating not only in her fashion choices but also in her actions. Her advocacy establishes her as a prominent figure in an industry frequently characterized by unattainable ideals. Lakshmi Rai's propensity for setting trends extends far beyond the runway, inspiring fashion enthusiasts to embrace their individuality, whether it's through daring accessories or unconventional color pairings. Her unwavering support for independent designers and emerging talents underscores her dedication to advancing the industry and promoting fresh voices. In the grand tapestry of her fashion journey, she also showcases an unparalleled ability to adapt to diverse occasions with finesse, ensuring she shines in settings ranging from red carpets to casual outings. Her hands-on involvement in the design process and her transformative use of accessories reveal a creative mind that extends beyond simply wearing clothes. Rai's fashion choices transcend mere trend following, they symbolize trendsetting and the enduring impact of a style icon who leaves an indelible mark on the world of fashion. Her journey is an inspirational testament to the potent role of fashion as a form of self-expression and a conduit for positive influence in a dynamic and ever-evolving world. Lakshmi Rai's fashion choices are a vibrant tapestry of style that transcends the boundaries of conventional dressing. Her wardrobe is not just a collection of clothes, it's a carefully crafted narrative of her life, experiences, and evolving preferences. Every outfit is thoughtfully organized, reflecting her adaptability and her seamless transition from one fashion persona to another. Her penchant for custom-designed ensembles highlights her as a true fashion aficionado, collaborating with designers to manifest her artistic visions into wearable art. Vintage fashion elements are gracefully woven into her attire, adding a layer of nostalgia and depth to her style. These vintage pieces connect her with the timeless elegance of the past, creating a bridge between classic glamour and contemporary chic. The iconic red lip, a constant companion to her fashion choices, is not just a beauty statement. It's a symbol of her confidence and timelessness. Yet, her influence extends far beyond the realm of clothing. She is a vocal advocate for body positivity and inclusivity, echoing her commitment to a fashion industry that celebrates diversity. Her fashion choices set trends that resonate globally, encouraging fashion enthusiasts to embrace individuality, experiment with accessories, and explore unconventional color pairings. Her unwavering support for independent designers and emerging talents underscores her dedication to nurturing fresh voices and perspectives in the industry. Her adaptability is showcased in her seamless transition between diverse occasions, from dazzling red carpet events to laid-back casual outings. Her hands-on involvement in the design process, combined with her ability to transform looks through accessories, unveils a creative spirit that goes beyond the confines of traditional style. Her journey is a testament to the power of fashion as a means of self-expression and a conduit for positive change in an ever-evolving world, leaving an indelible mark on the ever-shifting landscape of style. Lakshmi Rai's fashion choices are a reflection of her versatility and willingness to explore different styles. Her signature looks, red carpet glam, casual chic, ethnic elegance, and bold experiments all contribute to her incredible fashion journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.